AI videos are changing the game for marketing, presentations, or even just for fun. Models like Google Veo and Seedance are producing mind-blowing videos right now. But let's be real. Generating AI videos gets super expensive, real fast. That's why in this video, I'm looking at 5 tools that allow you to generate unlimited AI videos for free. You'll be able to use top-tier models like Google's Veo and Seedance. You won't have to use any sketchy third-party websites. I will introduce the official sites and a few clever workarounds you probably didn't know existed. Okay, let's not waste time and get straight to the point. Before we jump into the video, I spend a lot of time researching and figuring out these workflows. If you appreciate that, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and productivity tips. The first tool you can use is called Opal. Open your browser and enter this address and log in with your Google account. You will see this page. This is not exactly a video generation tool, but you can use this to generate videos. You just need to follow my steps. Click Create New. You will see a Generate button. Click on it. An Agent button will appear. Click on it, and you will see a list of AI tools. They have Nano Banana for image generation, but we will choose Veo for video generation. You need to provide your prompt here. I will use an example prompt. Click on this Advanced Settings here. Choose an aspect ratio, then click this Preview button. Your video generation prompt will be copied here. Make sure the prompt is accurate. Then click the Start button. If you see any error, click the Restart button. Sometimes Google's server is busy. They don't have enough data centers to meet all the AI demands, so you might need to click the Restart button 2 or 3 times before it works. Our video has been generated. Let's take a look. This is the kind of video Google's free AI generation model can generate. If you want to download this video, click here to download it. You can generate 10 videos per day using this tool, but if a video generation fails, it will still deduct from the quota. So this is not my preferred app, but I wanted to share this because you can use it as a supplementary tool. Also, if you have multiple Google accounts, you can use it multiple times. Let's take a look at the next tool. Search for Google Vids. Open the official website. Sign in with your Google account. After you sign in, you will see this screen. Click on Veo. You can also generate 10 videos for free every day using this tool. If you have multiple accounts, each can generate 10 videos. Google Vids gives you 2 ways to generate videos. You can do text to video or image to video. Let's try text to video first. Enter the prompt word here. Select the aspect ratio, then click Generate. After a few seconds, your video will be ready. I will drag the video to the editing area, then click play. Everything looks good. If you want to download this video, click the icon beside the Share button in the upper right corner. Then select Download as MP4. Let's generate a video from an image. I will choose the Animate an Image option. Then upload an image. Add a prompt. Now click Generate. The new video is done. I will add it after this video. Let's see what it looks like. It looks absolutely stupid. I need to add a landscape image as source. My prompts also need to be longer and more detailed, but you get the idea. You can use this to generate videos using Google's strongest AI video generation model. Let's move on to the next tool. Before we try Seedance, we will take a look at another Google tool. Open Google and search for Google Flow. Open the official website link. Log in with your Google account. You will see this interface. Click on your profile picture. You will see that Google gives 50 free credits per day. Now click on New Project. Now click on the Model button. Google Flow has image and video generation options. Generating images doesn't require any credits, but we are generating videos here. The cheapest video generation model is this one. It only requires 10 credits. The most expensive is this one. It requires 100 credits, so we can't use this on our free account. I like this one because it only requires 10 credits per video. It's a good balance between quality and price. Choose aspect ratio. I will generate only one video. Give it a prompt, then click Generate. I can generate 5 videos per day, so I use multiple accounts to generate dozens of videos. The video generation is done. Everything looks great. Also, don't forget, generating these isn't costing us any money. You can click this download button to download the video. Let's take a look at the next tool. Quick pause. If you're watching this channel, you're clearly someone who wants to actually use AI, not just learn about it. So I put together something that'll save you a lot of time. It's a free pack of more than 150 expert-built prompts and AI skills. It covers strategy, marketing, sales, content, and operations. The link is in the description down below. These aren't generic AI prompts you find on social media. Every single one is built from proven business frameworks and best-selling books. I read through over 60 business books and built these prompts from those ideas. So instead of starting from a blank page, you're essentially starting from decades of business knowledge. If you've ever typed a prompt, got a mediocre answer, and spent an hour fixing it, this is what fixes that problem. It's completely free. Link is in the description down below. Now back to the video. Open this website using your browser. I have only recently discovered this website, so I can't guarantee how long this will work. But I have been using it for a few weeks, and it's been working great. Use your Google account or email address to log in. You will see this interface. Click on Create. It will come to this video generation page. You will get 300 credits the first time you log in. You will only be able to generate a few videos with this, but I will show you how to bypass this credit system and generate unlimited videos for free. So don't worry about credits for now. Here you can upload an image and generate videos from that. I will upload a picture first. Then I will write a prompt. Writing a detailed prompt is super important to get a high-quality video. If you are not sure how to write prompts, you can write a simple sentence like me. Then press the Enhance button. AI will automatically optimize the prompts. You can then change things. Let's click Generate. The video has been generated. The video quality is not bad at all. Keep in mind the fact that we generated the video completely free. One drawback is that there is a big watermark. But don't worry, I will show you later how to remove this watermark. First, I will show you how to bypass the fee system to use this tool for free. I will log out of my current account. On the registration page, I will select the free account option. We will just create a new account. We will use a temporary email address to register our account. Open a new tab page and enter this address. After the page loads, an email address will be automatically generated. There is an inbox below where you can receive new emails. I will copy the email address, go back to the registration page, and paste the address. I will ask it to send the verification code. Return to the temporary email page. Click on this email. Copy the verification code. Paste it here and click Continue. I will set a password here. I have successfully created a new account. It took us less than a minute. Now we have full 300 credits. Okay, let's take a look at the fifth tool. It's called Dreamina. This is the official ByteDance site to use Seedance models. I will show you how you can use it to generate unlimited videos. This will be a little bit tricky, so follow the steps carefully. I have Google open on my browser. Search for Dreamina CapCut. Open the official link. Click on Sign In. Then use your email to log in. You will come to this interface. I have some credits in my account, but usually you will have 0 credits. Generating a video requires at least 45 points. That means you currently can't use a new account to generate anything. Let's change that. I will show you a trick to generate unlimited videos for free. I will log out of this first. Open a new tab in Chrome. Open Google and search for Chrome Web Store. Open the web store. Search for Urban VPN. Install the extension. After it's done, open it. When choosing a VPN node, make sure you select an African country. Make sure it has been connected successfully. Now I will open Dreamina again. I need to sign in using a different account. I already signed in once a few minutes ago. Now that I have VPN enabled, I need to sign in using a new account. Follow my earlier example and sign in using a temporary email. After you log in, you will see the same interface again. Our credits are 0, but you don't have to worry about that. You don't need any credits. Video generation requires 0 points. This is not the latest Seedance model, but it's still very good for marketing, presentation, video editing, etc. Let's give it a prompt. I will click Generate. Let's wait a bit. The video is done. It's not the latest model, but everything looks good. If you want to download the video, click Download. Finally, I will share a watermark removal tool. You can use it to remove watermarks from any videos. Open your browser and enter this address. This is not a completely free tool, but we can use some tricks to use it. You will see this interface. New users get 10 credits. You can get extra credits by signing in daily. I will upload a video with a watermark. It has 2 modes, manual and auto. There is also a basic model and a pro model. Each gives 2 free opportunities per day. Those 2 don't consume any credits. After you have used up the free opportunities, you can use the pro model. It requires 1 credit per 4 seconds. With 10 credits, you can process about 40 seconds of videos per day. This is not enough if you are trying to do any work. So, use the temp email tricks. After you have used up the credits of one account, spend 30 seconds creating a new account. You can do this infinitely. Let's remove the watermark from one video. Choose the watermark area with your mouse. Click on Remove. Wait a few seconds. Your watermark-free video will be ready. You can hardly see any sign of the watermark. Finally, click on Download to save the video. Okay, that's all for today. I will continue sharing AI tips and tricks to cut costs and increase your business revenue. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to go deeper and get even more out of AI for your business, I've got another video you'll love. Check it out right here.